Hey everybody, it's Eva
and Isaac,
and welcome back to another episode of Sweet Tooth Crafts, where today we are going to be doing St. Patrick's Day themed Snickerdoodles. So, if you're new here, or if you're not new here and you're just watching us for the second time, please subscribe. It helps us out a lot, and leave your suggestions down below in the comments, and let's get started. So what we're going to do now is get a half cup of butter and put it in a big bowl. Wow, that was a splash. And then we're going to blend it for 30 seconds on high. Blend it? Yeah, with this thing. Now, we are going to add 1 cup of sugar and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And we're going to also add the cream of tartar, which is also 1/4 of a teaspoon.
Okay.
Now we're going to beat until combined and scraping the sides of the bowl occasionally. It may look like this at first, really, really crumbly, and like it's not going to form anything, but just keep mixing. You'll see. It's really cool, the transformation. Okay, so after a while, your dough should have a good consistency like this. And now we're going to put in 1 egg and a teaspoon of vanilla.
There, 1
Isaac.
egg.
And it should be combined now, and then you have to beat in as much of the flour as you can. And if you can't beat it all in, then you have to just stir the rest. And beat it until it's just combined. You don't want to overmix it once the flour is in. So while we're waiting, we're going to show you how to make the cinnamon sugar. We have 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and you just mix it around there. And we're going to put the dough in here because it is St. Patrick's Day, so we're making the green sugared, cookies. And if you want to see how to color your sugar, you can check out our shorts. Wow, that's really good.
So you're supposed to chill them?
We don't have time. So we're gonna roll them into balls, and then we're going to put them down on a pan that will be prepared after dipping them in the cinnamon sugar and like rolling it all around and stuff. Yeah. Now we can start making our amazing cookies. So we're just gonna roll them around. Here, show them. Roll them around in the sugar. You can make them as big as you want, although probably smaller than this. I would say probably this. You could even do them smaller, but it depends on how you want them. Now you just do this until all of them are coated and put on the pan. Oh no, I spilled some, sorry.
Did we not reheat that on my own?
It's $3.75. So, now we're going to put this in the oven for 10 minutes.
Oh my god!
5, 4,
3, 2,
1. Unboxing.
For me.
We're gonna do 2 more minutes because it does not look fully cooked. 3, 2,
What?
1,
Go!
So, we have our cookies. We're done.
You just went to the comments and read it. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah, it looks really nice.
Oh yeah, it looks perfect in the middle. Okay, so. Get over here, we need to get this on footage, come on. So these are our St. Patrick's Day green. You can even see they have like more like little specks of green, which is cool. I like that they look like Shamrock. So now what we're gonna do, what we intended for this. Ready? This is our 3-leaf clover, as you can definitely tell. See, these are the 3 leaves and that's the stem. These are the 3 clovers right here, and then the clovers. And then this is the stem. So we have a shamrock made out of green snickerdoodle cookies and
now
stuff.
we need some.
So good. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And leave your suggestions down in the comments below. We love to do all of those. And we will see you guys next time. Peace.